Again, I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the New Zealand based dedicated server hosting plan. So as you know that I am from Onlive server. Onlive server is the leading server hosting company which provide all type of hosting solutions such as dedicated server hosting, VPS server hosting, cloud server hosting and simple web hosting plan. So you are searching a cheap and best New Zealand based dedicated server hosting plan, and then you can log into the Onlive server, that is onliveserver.com. and whenever you log into the onliveserver.com, here you will get wide range of navigations options like dedicated server, VPS, cloud and hosting, and these are some of additional navigation options. So this video is related to the New Zealand based dedicated server hosting plan. So we go through the dedicated server. Whenever you click on the dedicated server, then here you will get wide range of country-wise dedicated server hosting plan. So just we have to choose your country-wise and targeted location like New Zealand based dedicated server hosting plan. Just click on that. Whenever you click on the New Zealand based dedicated server hosting page, then here you will get 4 plan. That is very first plan that is available at just $359, and the second one plan that is available $519, and the third one plan that is available $799, and the fourth one that is available $1,399. Okay, now firstly we have to understand that why we require the New Zealand based dedicated server hosting. Basically, New Zealand based dedicated server hosting plan is best suitable for those companies or those business or those websites that is already based on the New Zealand, and they are already started. They want to start up their business in New Zealand location. So we go through this plan. So very first plan that is available $359. That with this plan you will get Intel Xeon processor up to 4 core and 64 GB of RAM and 2x1 TB of SATA hard disk, and the data center location will be Auckland, New Zealand. Okay, now just click on the buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, then review and configuration page will be displayed. Here you will get complete detail about your plan like CPU core processor detail, CPU speed, RAM information like 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and storage capacity, and the bandwidth information, data center location information, and this plan is the fully managed. Okay, just scroll the page. Whenever you scroll the page, then here you have to fill your domain name like your domain and fill your password, whatever you want to keep it. Okay, now just scroll the page. Here you will get complete or some of information about the operating system, control panel and data center information, server management information, additional bandwidth information and dedicated IP information. Okay, whenever you click on the operating system, then here you will get wide range of operating systems such as Red Hat or Parallel or FreeBSD, Debian, CentOS, Ubuntu and Windows based operating system. Just choose according to your convenience or according to your business requirement. Okay, and whenever you click on the control panel, then here you will get some of control panel option like direct admin plus panel and cpanel WHM required. If you think that plus panel is compatible for you, you can choose this one plan or this control panel, and these are the data center information, and this plan is available with the fully managed service. And if you are getting or if you think that you require some of additional IPv4, then you can choose here. After getting these information or then you can click on the continue button. Whenever you click on the continue button, then review and checkout page display. Kindly review this information and click on the checkout option. Now whenever you click on the checkout option, here you have to fill your some of necessary information such as first name, last name, email address, phone number and your company detail like company name and address. Now scroll the page. Here also get you the payment option or payment method like pay you money and bank contact, Alpha Click, Ideal. These are some of very best and very affordable payment method. And now just choose according to your convenient. We also accept the payment through the credit card, debit card or net banking. So choose according to your convenient and do the payment. After do the payment of your complete order, your order will be dispatched within a few hours, and I hope you enjoy this video, or this video is beneficial for you, just follow these steps. These are very simple steps. Just follow these steps and complete your order. Thank you for watching this video. Keep smiling and keep sharing this video. Thank you.